This Cardinal Handprint Craft preserves a precious child's handprint, plus it makes a special do-it-yourself card or gift for Christmas. We only need a few supplies for this craft. The blue construction paper, some craft paints, a brush, and it's wise to have some paper towels handy to wipe off little fingers. Any age would enjoy this, but I think it especially works nicely for our younger children. For a small child, you can put your construction paper in the vertical mode, and they can do 2 cardinals on a branch. If your hand is larger, you'll have to do it horizontally and probably only put 1 bird on the branch. I'm going to be doing this craft myself, so it's especially large because it's going to be a grown-up's hand. We'll start by putting some paint out on our plate. We're going to need some brown, black, white, and orange. The red will be on a separate plate, and we'll use the brown first to make the branches that the cardinals sit on. For a small child, you're going to make 1 branch fairly low on the paper and a second branch about halfway up. They will make 2 small handprints to be birds. But for a larger child, you'll only be able to fit 1 on here, so we're going to make 1 branch coming out from the side of our paper. If you'd like, you can make the side of the tree over here coming down, just for decoration, but all you really need is this branch. This is a snowy day, so we're going to paint a little white snow that's landed on top of this branch as it has come down. I'm going to use that white paint, and I'm just going to run it along the top edge of that branch so it looks like the snow has settled on there, a little bit here maybe. You can help the child to understand where the snow will fall if it comes down onto these branches. And then we're going to make a few snowflakes. Now you can do this a couple different ways. If you'd like, you could just paint a few snowflakes on here, like this. Or you could use a paper towel or toilet paper container to make your snowflakes. And you'll see that in the pictures that I show with my granddaughter. I'm going to show you the option of painting the snowflakes on. See how that I'm making just a little cross with just some little lines that cross over, and that gives the effect of a snowflake. I'm going to leave this area for my handprint, and there's my snowflakes. So you have 2 ways that you can choose to do your snowflakes. Next comes the fun part of making our handprint. I'm going to put some red paint on this plate. And I'm going to press my hand into it. So with the handprint done, the feathers of the tail are out the back. This is going to be kind of the crest on the top of the head, and this is the front of the bird. So we're going to paint a black face on the front of the cardinal. Then we're going to add a beak onto the end. I have kind of an orange color here, yellow would work. Come off the front, and now an eye on the bird, and add on a black dot in the center. And I'm going to go ahead and add a couple legs here. I'm going to come down. I'm doing it with black, but you could do it with orange. And since my fingers did not connect to the bird, I think I'm going to use a little bit of red paint to connect the feathers to the bird. Just a little bit right here. And to connect his little crest to his head. There we go. And I also think I'm just going to add a little bit of a wing here. So you do need to think about which direction the cardinal is going to go. I kind of wished I'd made it the other direction so his nose was down here. Then I would have had to turn it this way and put my hand this direction, so its face would have been out this way. So you might keep that in mind when you're making your cardinal on your branch. Regardless, I still love the cardinal. For a small child, you can see on my granddaughter's picture that we did 2 handprints, 1 going each direction. Just remember to keep the thumb to the top. So can you see how this Cardinal Handprint Craft preserves your precious child's handprint And it makes a cardinal. It's so cute for Christmas. If you'd like more fun crafts, come on over to welcometonanas.com and join the fun.